Hello children, welcome to e-learning classes. I am Rashmi Barut ma'am, your ENV teacher, and I hope you all are safe at home. So from today we will start with our EVS subject chapter number 2, that is knowing ourselves and others. In previous videos you have studied chapter number 1. Now let's move on to the chapter number 2. Our bodies change as we grow. However, we may not be aware of these changes as they are very slow and takes place over a period of time. Now children, here we will study about the growth of a body. How we grow, what happens when we grow. So when we grow, our body change. We see the change in the height, skin, muscles and bones also develops. Many changes occurs in our body accordingly, but we don't know because the process of changing which occur in our body is very slow, and also you all must be knowing that this process of growth occur only for a short period. Growth takes place because our bones, muscles and skin are made up of tiny cells. These cells divide and multiply in number every day. This is what makes us grow bigger and taller with age. Now children, here the question is why and how this growth and change in our body takes place. The answer is because the para itself says that there is a tiny cells in our muscles, skin and bones. These tiny cells develops, or we can say helps muscles, skin and bones to grow, and because of this our body shows change in its growth. There are numbers of cells in the muscles, bones and skin. We cannot count them. And see what the sentence tells us, that these tiny cells grow every day and even they multiply. So now let's move to another topic, that is knowing your family better. Each of your family members has a unique quality which makes them different from one and another. Children, you all stay with your family, right? So when we stay together under one roof, we all know each other very well, and every family members, whether mama, dad, brother, sister, they all must be having unique quality. Unique means different quality from one and another. So now this chapter is asking you to observe some qualities from your family members. Some very simple question they have given. You have to do yourself. Question number 1 is, who has the loudest voice in your family? Who has the sweetest voice in your family? Who is the best cook in your family? Okay, now let's move to our next topic, which is expression. Before reading the para, let me explain you what is expression. Expression is something that you say that shows your opinion or feelings, or in other words we can say to convey our thoughts, feelings or emotions. Here about the expression we will read and understand from the para. We use words or expression to show our feelings. See children, here also the sentence says to show our feelings. Babies too express themselves in different ways. Baby laugh, cry, snuggle, fuss and shout to get the attention. Now here they explained you by giving the example of a baby. When baby is born, they cannot speak. Yes children, I am right? When we all were born, we don't know how to speak. So what babies do? When they want someone attention, they cry, they laugh, they snuggle. What snuggle means? babies want someone to keep them or take them under their arms, to keep them safe and comfortable. And fuss means babies get excited by seeing something in front of them, and also they shout to get someone's attention. Crying is the beginning of language and expression. Children, this is a very important line. Again, I am repeating. Crying is the beginning of language and expression. Why baby cries? Due to hunger, they cry. If they are discomfort, they cry. Due to tiredness also, they cry. So, by all such things, small babies, though they can't speak, they show their expressions by crying and smiling. Again, the para wants you to do this activity, children. You observe baby in your neighborhood and see how does the baby tell its parents that they are hungry. So children, I am concluding the chapter here. Again we will meet in our next video and will learn more from this chapter. Meanwhile, Rashmi ma'am is saying goodbye to you all. Stay safe children.